So you guys are about to watch me make an epic trade on this coin called Epic. Okay, this is a very amazing profit that I made. I made a 10% profit on a $130,000 position. I made 10% profit, so I made 13K profit. This was a wild trade. I'm going to teach you guys a lot of the strategies that I know in here, but make sure you guys know that there's a 40% off sale right now off my course. Take a look at the link below, and you're also going to get a chance to join my elite tier Discord group, my private trading Discord group, for a lifetime membership with 40% off. It's normally $750, but it's on sale for $450 right now. So take advantage of it, guys. Increase your skill set. And for those that are very serious about trading, I also have a platinum tier group where only 100 people can go in. That's it, 100 people, highly exclusive. What we do there is I live stream my desktop. Everybody can see every single trade that I take. You can ask questions. You see when I enter. You see when I exit. If I win, you win. If I lose, you lose. And this price is $2,500 for 6 months. If you decide to renew it again after the 6 months for $2,500, so now you've paid $5,000, you now get to join this platinum tier for life. Well, right here, okay? Right now, my P&L for 7 days, I'm up $61,000. I haven't had a losing day at all. So $61,000 profit, that's wild, guys. I'm somebody you will definitely be able to learn a lot from and probably capitalize on catching many trades too. So enjoy this live trade. Take a look at the link below. Woo! Let's get you guys in the Discord group. Let's get you guys caught up with all of my lessons. Come join my platinum group. Let's go. Bull market 2025. This is making a very classical parabolic wave where the one channels like that. 2 breaks substantially to the upside. Substantially. And it goes very parabolic. And then the 4 gets a really large drop. And then it finishes off the 5 in a channel. So the channel is going to be a very good place to short it. If you go to a higher time frame, you can actually see it very clearly where the 1 is like a channel like that. 3 goes parabolic, and the 5 is clearly finishing up right now, so there's going to be a huge chance for this coin to drop to the downside. So it's just going to be a matter of dollar cost averaging it and being very confident that the drop is going to happen rather than being shaken out. Most people will be shaken out of this trade, but I see the bigger picture, which is the 5th is a delayed move to the upside because of liquidity issues, so it's going to channel. So once again, we're looking at a structure like this. 1, 2, big 3, big 4, big 5. And if you notice the 20-minute time frame, it's got this green line. It's called the kernel. It's been hovering around it very well, very tight. Especially here, it bounces many times above that green line. So if that green line breaks, it's gonna smash to the downside. The volume's diminishing. You can see the 20-minute MACD kind of fighting here and hovering above it. So it's got a lot of bearish signs right now. But because it's been so parabolic, you just don't know how it's gonna react here. It's facing a resistance that it can't seem to break. I think we're gonna find a confirmed direction within 10 minutes or so. How it goes. Would be great if it dropped to the downside. Of course, that's what I want. I want to get into a big short. Okay, so the channel is very strong. Strong as in it's very likely to drop. I mean, it hit it multiple times. I've differentiated the wave count many times as well. These types of structures have a high reputation and probability of breaking down because it's mainly because of this one. This becomes overextended, making the 5th wave. The 4th comes down heavily, and the 5, it doesn't have a lot of force anymore to go upwards, so it ends up making a bearish type of flag within a channel. So if you're able to see that, then you'll see what I mean. Right now, I'm in a very big short relative to the volatility. I'm in a $70,000 position, and my target is going to be over a $10,000 gain on this trade if I'm right. If I'm right, it's going to finish off that 5th wave and just parabolically drop to the downside. It's starting to run. Let's see if it's going to continue or if it's going to do bear trap. Oh man, huge wick. It rejected going down. Let's see if it can actually go down. It's rejecting so far. It's continuing down. Lots of pressure to go back up. I added more, but at a bad place. The 20-minute kernel needs to break. That green line needs to break. Until then, it's not going to break down. MACD is down on the 15. And the 20 minutes parabolically dropping. It just hasn't started yet. The 30 minute is about to drop as well. So there's a lot of momentum and pressure to drive down the price. I'm up a little bit. It's just swinging up and down right now. I think it's going to be a very big win. Just waiting for this one to drop. See that green line? Once that green line drops, it's over. It's going to parabolically drop. Just got to give it some time right now. Have to be patient. Trust me, it's going to drop. Once it does, it's going to hit here. It's going to hit here. Then bam. Lots of pressure. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me a drop. Break it. Break it. Break it, baby. I need this. I need that. Boom. Straight down there. Straight drop. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is closing in 30 minutes. Come on, give me some momentum. It's recovering a little. Not that much, but it is. It's trying to drop really hard right now. It's recovering. Damn. Damn. Here we go. It's going. Not really. No, it recovered. It recovered. It's got momentum. Huge sell volumes. Let's try 2,300, 3,000. There you go. Come on, give me a drop. Give me a drop, baby. Baby. Drop down. It's that green line, I'm telling you. That green line. That fucking kernel. Wiped out all of my profits. All of it. Once this green line drops, it's done. Until then, we gotta wait. We gotta wait until it goes down further. 30 more minutes, maybe. See this right here? 30 more minutes. Or 22 more minutes until that candle closes. Then we might have some more direction, and more confirmation of a drop. I don't think it's gonna rally though. I think it's gonna smash down. I think it's done entirely. I don't think there's a chance for this to go up even more. Very surprised it's lasted this long already. Fuck, man. My profits are gone. MACD's still soaring down on the 20 minute. And then on the 30 minute, it's about to cross in 5 minutes. This should be the catalyst for the drop to come down. It spiked up temporarily. It was actually down a significant amount. I was down like 5,000. I was going to add more, but I didn't. I never broke above it and it rejected hard, so I stayed in it. And now I'm up a little bit. So doing pretty well on the trade, just managing my emotions. It's 3:30 in the morning and I'm in bed. My baby's sleeping, that's why I'm whispering. I think it will drop very, very soon. The sound you hear in the background is the rain for white noise. It's her anniversary, so I can't stay up too late trading this. Gotta get on the trade soon. That 20-minute green line, the kernel's a bitch. And every time it gets there, man, it's bouncing every single time. I've never seen a more annoying one. But that's the job of the kernel. It maintains the trend. But if it does break, man, it's gonna skyrocket down. Let's check out the open interest. People buying, people are still buying. What the fuck? Many people are short though. Lots of short people. Here's my Ethereum position. Ethereum, I'm down a little bit. This should drop soon. I'm really wanting it to drop. It has that momentum to drop. But it's slow pace right now. Let's see what happens in 3 minutes when the 30-minute backbeat crosses over. So now we're at the kernel again, with 2 minutes left to close. The 30-minute time frame MACD crossed over. It's now got even more momentum going down. I think this right here is the leading indicator that says it's going to drop down extremely hard soon. I think that this is an explosion, a nuclear bomb, just waiting to go off. It's just a matter of time until this drops. So I'm going to stay in a position and just kind of chill. It's going up and down right now like an elevator, like a yo-yo. Give it a little bit of time. Just watch the 20-minute. I'm telling you, this is the leading indicator. It's leading right now. Everything is just delayed. It will. Alright guys, it's going pretty well. I had to go to the bathroom in the hotel to record this because I don't want to wake up my girlfriend. And it's 3:48 in the morning right now. I love this, by the way. One of the top traders just opened a short position. Interesting. That's crazy. He opened a short position, like a $2.2 million short position. Anyways, yeah, I'm really up on this trade. I'm up a significant amount now. $7,000 I'm up. I'm going to ride it. I'm not going to take my profit. There's no point of taking my profit because, well, it's going to drop much, much more than this, right? So let's continue to ride this as much as we can. Alright, so I'm up 7,800 right now. I will take my profit very, very soon. But I think it's going to just continue to drop a little bit more and bleed. So there's no point of me, there's no really big recovery or anything right now. So it's like, what's the point of closing the position, right? So I think it's going to drop a little bit more. I'm up about 8,000 right now, 9,000 very, very soon. Probably going to continue down. I don't see a reason why it's going to hold up here. Let's go to a really low time frame. I mean, it's still bleeding away, right? Like, it's still definitely bleeding away. $10,000. Here we go. I'm going to close everything. I'm going to close it. 14,000. Boom. I just took a $14,000 profit. Jesus Christ. How much did I make? Let's wait till it updates. There we go. There we go. $13,000.